everybody. Last class we discussed about normal form and bookwork and problems. In this session we continue the problems of normal form. Yes, the question number 4. Find the direction cosines of the unit vector perpendicular to the plane r dot 6i minus 3j minus 2k plus 1 equals 0. Here the given vector form we have to calculate direction cosines. Direction cosines ಕಂಡುಹಿಡಿಯಬೇಕು. The given vector form. Yes, the given plane is r dot 6i minus 3j minus 2k plus 1 equals 0. This is the given equation of plane. In vector form we have to calculate direction cosines. Okay. So r dot 6i minus 3j minus 2k shift plus 1 become minus 1. This minus 1 is a distance d because we have formula r dot n cap equals d. So d is the distance. Distance is always positive. Therefore this negative 1 minus 1 is there, convert into positive. What happens? R dot minus 6i plus 3j plus 2k equals multiply by minus become plus 1. So this equation is not in the form of this one because here they given this is the vector n, not unit vector. They given just a vector. This is n, not n cap. So n equals minus 6i plus 3j plus 2k. Find out magnitude n. Magnitude n equals root of minus 6 whole square 36 plus 9 plus 4. 36 plus 4 40, 40 plus 9 49, outside 7. N cap equals vector n divided by magnitude n, substitute vector n minus 6i plus 3j plus 2k divided by magnitude 7. We required only direction cosines. ನೋಡಿ ಈಗ n cap ಬಂತು. n cap ಬಂದಿದ್ದಕ್ಕೆ this is direction cosine. So write direction cosines equals quotient of ijk minus 6 by 7 com 3 by 7 com 2 by 7. These are the direction cosines of the given plane. So once again, they given equation of a plane in vector form, that is r dot plus 1 equals 0 plus 1 shift minus 1. So here minus 1 is a distance d. It is always positive, therefore multiply by minus. 6 into minus 6 minus become plus equals 1. Now this is vector n. So normal vector n equals minus 6i plus 3j plus 2k. Find out magnitude. N cap equals vector n divided by magnitude. Substitute. So minus 6 by 7, 3 by 7, 2 by 7 are the direction cosines. Iday question find direction ratio ಕೇಳಿದ್ರೆ simple. 6 minus 3 com minus 2 are the direction ratios. Question number 5. Find the distance of the plane from the origin. Here we have to calculate only distance. Yes, the given equation is 2x minus 3y plus 4z. 2x minus 3y plus 4z minus 6 shift to RHS plus 6. Okay. So direction ratios 2 minus 3 4. Find magnitude equals root of 2 square 4, 3 square 9, 4 square 16, 16 plus 4 20, 20 plus 9 root 29. Okay. Now call the modified equation as 1. So divide equation 1 Divide this equation 1 by its magnitude. The magnitude is root 29. Divide it 2 by root 29 x minus 3 by root 29 y plus 4 by root 29 z equals 6 by root 29. Now we have to calculate only distance. So distance equals here 6 by root 29. This is the distance. They ask just distance. Direction cosines ಕೇಳಿದ್ರೆ 2 by root 29 come minus 3 by root 29 come 4 by root 29. Direction cosines ಕೇಳಿದ್ರೆ but here they ask just distance, ಅದಕ್ಕೆ 6 by magnitude root 29. So here the given equation is this one. So shift ಮಾಡಿ plus 6 ಆಯಿತು. Find out direction ratios, coefficient of x by z 2 minus 3 4. ಮ್ಯಾಗ್ನಿಟ್ಯೂಡ್ ಕಂಡುಕೊಳ್ಳಿ, ಡಿವೈಡ್ ಮಾಡಿ ನಮಗೆ ಏನು ಬರುತ್ತೆ, ಡಿಸ್ಟೆನ್ಸ್ ಬರುತ್ತೆ. ಯಾಕೆಂದರೆ ದಿಸ್ ಇಕ್ವೇಷನ್ ಈಸ್ ಆಫ್ ದಿ ಫಾರಮ್ ಎಲ್ ಎಕ್ಸ್ ಪ್ಲಸ್ ಎಮ್ ವೈ ಪ್ಲಸ್ ಎನ್ ಝಡ್ ಈಕ್ವಲ್ಸ್ ಡಿ. ಈ ಫಾರ್ಮೆಟ್ ಇದೆ. ಇದು ಯಾವ ಫಾರ್ಮೆಟ್ ಇದೆ ಅಂದರೆ ದಿಸ್ ಈಸ್ ಎ ಎಕ್ಸ್ ಪ್ಲಸ್ ಬಿ ವೈ ಪ್ಲಸ್ ಸಿ ಝಡ್ ಈಕ್ವಲ್ಸ್ ಡಿ ಫಾರ್ಮೆಟ್ ಇದೆ. Here ABC are direction ratio, here LMN are direction cosines. So the standard formula in vector form is R dot n cap equals D. N cap means unit normal vector. So unit normal vector ಬರೋದು direction cosines. ಅದಕ್ಕೆ ನಾವು convert the given equation to Lx plus My plus Nz equals D. ಆ ಫಾರ್ಮೆಟಿಗೆ ತಗೋಬೇಕು. Yes, right on. The question is determine the direction cosines of the normal to the plane z equals 2. Direction cosines and we have to calculate distance. ಎರಡು ಬೇಕು. The given plane is z equals 2. I will write here z equals 2. Z equals 2 means there is no x, there is no y modified. What happens? 0x plus 0y plus 1 into z means z equals 2. Find out direction ratios. The direction ratios equals 0, 0, 1. Then magnitude. Magnitude equals root of 0 plus 0 plus 1. That is 1. Okay. Next, divide. So call this equation as 1. Divide equation 1 by magnitude means 1. 1 by something is 1. So 0 by 1, 0x same, 0 by 1, 0y plus z by 1 means z equals 2 by 1 means 2. Same as given problem. But ಎಲ್ಲ ಪ್ರಾಬ್ಲಮಲ್ಲೂ ಡೈರೆಕ್ಷನ್ ರೇಷಿಯೋ ಡೈರೆಕ್ಷನ್ ಕೊಸೈನ್ಸ್ ಸೇಮ್ ಬರಲ್ಲ. ಎಸ್, ಇಲ್ಲಿ ಡೈರೆಕ್ಷನ್ ಕೊಸೈನ್ಸ್ ಈಕ್ವಲ್ಸ್ 0, 0, 1 and distance equals 2. So this is the direction cosine and this is distance. Observe ಮಾಡಿ, direction here, direction ratios and direction cosines are same. But ಎಲ್ಲ ಪ್ರಾಬ್ಲಮಲ್ಲೂ ಡೈರೆಕ್ಷನ್ ರೇಷಿಯೋ ಮತ್ತು ಡೈರೆಕ್ಷನ್ ಕೊಸೈನ್ ಸೇಮ್ ಬರಲ್ಲ. ನೀವು ಕ್ಯಾಲ್ಕುಲೇಟ್ ಮಾಡೇ ಬರೀಬೇಕು, ಡೈರೆಕ್ಟಾಗಿ ಬರೆಯೋಕ್ಕೆ ಹೋಗಬೇಡಿ, ರಾಂಗ್ ಆಗುತ್ತೆ. Determine the direction cosines and distance of the plane x plus y plus z equals 1. Direction cosines ಬೇಕು, direction cosines ಬೇಕು, ಮತ್ತೆ distance ಬೇಕು. Yes, the plane is x plus y plus z equals 1. Okay. Direction ratios equals 1, 1, 1. Magnitude equals root of 1 square 1, 1 square 1, 1 square 1, that is root 3. Then divide equation 1, this is the equation 1, call this equation as 1 by root 3. What happens? 1 by root 3 x plus 1 by root 3 y plus 1 by root 3 z equals 1 by root 3. Direction cosines equals 1 by root 3, 1 by root 3, it is also 1 by root 3. And distance, so distance equals 1 by root 3. So first write the plane, find the direction ratios, find out magnitude, divide the equation by its magnitude, we get the modified equation of a plane. Find out direction cosines, coefficient of x by z or direction cosines, madhya kama hakbeku. This is distance, d equals 1 by root 3. Next one, the next problem is 2x plus 3y minus z equals 5 is there. We have to calculate direction cosines and distance. Direction cosines beku, distance beku. The given plane is this one. Same, find out direction ratios, find out magnitude, then divide the equation by its magnitude. We get direction cosines and distance. Do yourself. Neeve work madi. Next question number 9th one. Determine the direction cosines of normal plane to the and distance back, direction cosines back. They given the equation 5y plus 8 equals 0. The plane is 5y plus 8 equals 0. 5y equals minus 8. Distance is always positive. Therefore, multiply by minus 5y equals 8. X illa, z illa, modified 0x minus 5y plus 0z equals 8. So call this equation as 1. Find out direction ratios. So direction ratios equals 0 com minus 5 com 0. Next to magnitude. So magnitude equals root of 0 square 0 minus 5 whole square plus 25 plus 0. Root of 25 out, that is 5. Next we have to calculate what? So divide equation 1 by 5. So what happens? 0 by 5, 0x minus 5 by 5 minus 1y, 0 by 5 plus 0z equals 8 by 5. Now we have to calculate direction cosines. So direction cosines, coefficient of x, y, z, that is 0 com minus 1 com 0. We have to calculate distance. So distance equals what? 8 by 5. That is distance. This is direction cosines.